If your Apple ID is locked, it can stop you from accessing apps, downloads, and important services, which can feel stressful if it happens suddenly. In many cases, this situation starts after several incorrect password attempts. The system automatically locks the account to protect it from unauthorized access. There are also times when unusual login activity is detected. For example, signing in from a new device or a different location may trigger a security check. Another possible cause is outdated account information. If your recovery details or security settings are not updated, it may become difficult for the system to verify your identity. Some users face this issue when they forget their login details and try multiple times. Repeated attempts within a short time can increase the chances of the account being locked. It can also happen if your account is accessed on different devices at the same time. They may look suspicious to the system and lead to temporary restrictions. To start solving the issues, visiting the official account recovery page is usually the first step. From there, you can begin the process of unlocking your account. You may be asked to reset your password or confirm your identity using a verification code sent to your email device. In some situations, answering security questions may also be required, um, providing accurate information help complete the process faster. If the system needs more time to verify your details, you may have to wait for a short period before access is fully restored. Trying to rush the process by making repeated attempts can sometimes delay recovery further. So it's better to follow the steps calmly. Keeping your account information updated and using a strong password can reduce the chances of facing the issues again. Using trusted devices regularly can also help the system recognize your activity and avoid unnecessary security blocks. If you are still unable to unlock your account, you can check the support option provided by Apple to continue the recovery process. Taking a careful and step by step approach usually helps in restoring access without major complications. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.